Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Reflex credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Reflex credit card online, open up a web browser. Go to the URL box at the top and type in www.reflexcardinfo.com and press enter on a keyboard. Soon after you end up in this page, click on the login button at the top right and this will open up a new tab where you'll need to enter your credentials to log in and access your credit card online. Go to the username text box at the top and type in your username correct. Head over to the password field and type in your password. In case you've forgotten your username or your password, click on Forgot Username or Password link and follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset to a new password or look for your username. After you are done entering the credential, click Login and you'll be able to log into your Reflex credit card online. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.